Do you want to make your dreams a reality? You might have watched The Secret or heard of the law of attraction before. Here are some law of attraction techniques that will help you effectively create the life you are looking for. These methods have personally helped me change my life around and bring joy into my life. Before we begin, please hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be motivated every day. First, you need to create the "have it now" feeling. In the law of attraction, you should believe and act as if you possess what you desire right now. This law of attraction technique will make you feel wonderful instantly and help you visualize the feeling of success in manifesting your desires. Locate a quiet area where you can close your eyes and focus on what you want. Begin by going for a walk around your neighborhood, anywhere really. Make believe that you have already succeeded in manifesting your desires. If you want money or love, just pretend that you are currently a millionaire or already in your ideal relationship. Just visualize that your desires in life have been handed to you. Imagine the feeling of financial stability, a lover's gentle kiss on your forehead before you go to bed at night, or even the sea breeze caressing your neck off the shore of Thailand. Visualize how it would feel as if you're living the life you want right now. You need to get your frame of mind on the same level of bliss as if you achieved every goal you've made. I feel contentment and peace every time I apply this law of attraction technique. When I do this, I feel nothing is left to struggle for in life. Instead, you're left with joy and happiness. This law of attraction technique can also help you figure out what your priorities are, what you need to focus on, and how important it is to you. This law of attraction technique is an eye-opener and will help you visualize more effectively. Second, be thankful for what you have. I know that the simplest things in life, like having a relaxing morning while drinking your coffee, can be taken for granted. Being grateful is an essential factor when using the law of attraction. You're telling the universe, "Thank you for allowing me to be so fortunate in life." When you show gratitude, the universe then will begin to give you more things to be grateful for. One of the easiest ways to cultivate the feelings of gratitude is to have a gratitude journal. Write 5 things that you're thankful for. You'll learn that you can be grateful for just about anything there is in your life. One time I wrote about how grateful I was that I caught the bus and wasn't late for work. The next day I wrote down I was grateful for missing the bus because it gave me the chance to listen to read my book while I waited for the next bus. This law of attraction technique is quite effective. The third law of attraction technique is to take the first step. A lot of people hesitate on taking action to achieve their goal because they don't have an executable plan. Don't let this stop you. People who took the first step towards their goals didn't have a full plan either. Just take the first step and be receptive to what opportunities come your way. Keep in mind that all the traffic lights in your life won't turn green at once. You can take the first step and see what the universe will bring you. The universe is limitless, but there will be times it won't give you exactly what you're asking for. Be flexible and adapt accordingly to your new circumstance. This law of attraction technique is essential to being receptive to what the universe will give you. You'll begin to see some tangible results in your life once you apply these 3 law of attraction techniques. Whatever your desires are in life you can achieve them with the help of the law of attraction. Just have the courage and faith that you are the creator of your reality. Click on the link in the description below for your free manifestation toolkit.